Hey all, something different today. I got a 7-inch. Now I've never flown a 7-inch before, so this will be the first time. This is a TBS Source 1 V6 7-inch open source, I believe. It's got the Gap RC take a stack in it. It's got AliExpress motors, so cheap and cheerful. We'll see how they go. 2807 1300 kV, and I got the DJI 04 Pro Air unit in it. So like I said, I've never flown a 7 before. This will be the first time. I only got it running today, so let's take it for a rip. So I can tell a difference straight away from a 5-inch to a 7. Still got power. Does feel a lot more floaty, but it also feels a lot smoother. See the cows. Cows. Up the tree and oops a daisy. It's weird, every time I go over this right side, it just drops signal. Feels mad. Way different than a 5. All these trees. A lot of wind about today, so if we get any wind noise, guys, I'm sorry about that. Try and do it again without actually hitting the trees this time. There we go. Definitely plenty of power. Now, I'm only running 1550 milliamp batteries. I haven't got no bigger ones as of yet. So we'll see how good we get. I'm not going to go nuts with it. At the end of the day, that's not really what they for. Well, this one isn't anyway because it's a dead cat, so. These feel mad though. Do a punch up all these trees. Definitely plenty of power enough. My vape, I took a dive in our place the other day, so let's not test fit again. Okay, always lose signal for you. So we're on 3 minutes from 1550, just cruising it about. Still a bit of battery left in it. Take a little look over here. Strong signal this way, straight in front of me. God, they feel so smooth. Just course all the way back. A bit of speed going on. They float like crazy. Plenty of power in it. I was worried getting the 1300 kV because they're the smaller motors, if they'd have power to do the punch out like that, but they're fine. Like I said, I've never flown a 7-inch before, so these are new to me. But I'm enjoying it, it's fun. Battery's starting to get low now, but that's, well, 5 minutes. 5 minutes out of the 1550. I'll take that. These trees again. Nice. They're so floaty, it's crazy. There's still a little bit of juice in it. Look at that. Awesome. I'll be bringing it in out because I don't want to overdo the batteries. Yeah, it seems really smooth. Oh, I landed off on the bag. So, a 7-inch, definitely different from a 5-inch or anything I've flown. They really floaty, really floaty. I was like, whoa, that's crazy. But awesome, I really enjoyed it. It'll do really good for cinematics. That's why I got the dead cat, so the props weren't in the view. Because I found with the TBS frames, it's a bit difficult to mount a GoPro on you. Like when you put one on, going back in, it's not much place to put your LiPo. But yeah, it was a pleasure. I checked the screws, I think it was after the first pack. They were all still tight. I did have a bit of vibration in the 04. I don't know whether I've tightened the screws too much or something else, but if the footage is too bad, I'll probably gyro that out so you guys don't have to sit there shaking. But in all, it was great. I really enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed the video, guys, and see you next time.